Linear algebra really begins with matrices. So think about a matrix like a mathematical data table that allows us to organize lots of information in a simple way and makes it easy for us to work with the data that's inside it. Sometimes we might have so much data that it becomes almost impossible to handle it without a matrix. For example, if you've taken an algebra course, you would have learned how to solve simple linear systems. This linear system is a system of two equations in terms of two unknowns, x and y. Because it's a pretty small system, we can solve it without too much trouble. But if instead we'd been given a system of 100 equations in terms of 100 unknowns, solving the system using methods from algebra would become almost impossible, and that's where matrices come in. A matrix would allow us to easily represent the 100 equation system and solve it much, much faster. In other words, we really need matrices anytime we're working with a lot of data. So in this section, we'll be reviewing systems of equations, then introducing matrices and walking through the basics about how to use them. Let's get started by reviewing how to solve simple linear systems in two unknowns.